Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. I am Preeti. Yes, in the previous video, I already discussed how we can create a power-ups collection manually and using a SharePoint list. In this today's video tutorial, I am going to explain about how we can remove unnecessary items from a power-ups collection, and that to 5 different ways. Like how we can remove item from power-ups collection using 2 different functions, how we can remove a single item from power-ups collection, how we can remove all items from a power-ups collection, and finally we will see how we can remove power-ups collection items from a using drop-down control and as well as a list box control. So let's begin. First of all, as I told you, there are 2 functions to remove a power-ups collection item. One is remove function and another one is remove if function. Whereas the power-ups remove function is used to remove a specific records or record from a data source. That means suppose you have a collection of data, like in a gallery control you have various type of data and you want to delete a specific item, suppose third item or fifth item, then in that case you can use the remove function. Where you can use the remove if function, suppose there are lot of record like various of products like laptop, keyboard, mouse, like this, and you want to delete a particular record like laptop, then in that case you can use the remove if function, and that too based on a criteria. You can see the syntax of the remove function is remove data source in the table, and the remove if syntax is remove if, and you need to provide the data source and then you need to provide the condition. So based upon it you can remove item from a power-ups collection. Now I will show you some of the demo that I have created, and then I will implement and I will show you how we can use the remove function and as well as the power-ups remove if function. So let's start. So in this power-ups, I have created one application with 5 different examples. So first of all, let me show all the examples one by one. So this is a gallery control, and there is, you can see a trash buttons. So suppose in this case, if you want a specific record to delete, like suppose Maxi graphics you want to delete, then once you will click on this trash button, it will delete from the collection. So just click on this and you can see that item is deleted from the gallery. And as well as if you check the collection here, then you can see that the particular item will be already deleted from the collection, that is MaxiGraph, right? So here you can see that particular record is also deleted from the collection. This is the manual collection I have created, so it is deleting from this collection. So the second example I will show you. I will just preview. So this is the second example. As I told you, there are various type of product and laptop, mobile, Outlook, and if you want a particular record to delete, suppose laptop, then once you will click on this remove laptop button, all the laptop things will remove as like this. So the third one, suppose there is a gallery, suppose there is a gallery control and you want to delete all the records from the gallery or as well as from the collection, then you can see this button. So if once you will click on this remove all record, then the record then the gallery will be empty. So let me click. So you can see now the gallery is full empty, and as well as if you will go to the collection, then you will check there also you will get the empty records. Now I will show you the fourth and fifth example, that is using a drop-down control and using a list box control. You can see there is a drop-down control having with all these records, and all these records are coming from the SharePoint list directly. So that data source I have binded in the collection. I have created a collection and then I binded those values here. So like suppose you want to remove mobile, then and once you click on it, then it will be deleted from the particular drop-down control. The same way this is also list box control. And guess what is happening actually? In drop-down control you can at a time you can use only one item, but in this list box control, if you want to delete multiple items at a time, then you can select the multiple item whatever you want, and once you click on this remove selected item, then it will be deleted from the list box control. Now I will implement one by one how we can use it, and I will take one new screen here, blank screen, and first I will show you the first example that how we can remove item from the gallery control. So for that I will insert one gallery control. Let me create one vertical gallery, and as I told you, I have already created a collection in my onStart property. So you can see you can go to the app and you can create a collection based upon your need, and you can select the onStart property. You can see I have created all the records manually. I have used clear collect this thing, and I have created all the record using the onStart property. Create the power-ups collection in my, you can visit to my previous video. I have explained everything over there. So I have added a gallery control. Now I will click my collection that I have created, and you can see all the record it is reflecting here. Once you will click on this layout, you can see like I have changed the layout as title and subtitle. And now the gallery control, why I added the gallery control, because if I want to delete a particular record like fourth or fifth record, then directly I can click on any of the plus button and I can delete that particular record from the collection. So for that just select the first section of the gallery, this one, and then insert a trash icon. You can go to the expand the icons button, and if you will search the trash button, it will be there, or directly you can search here trash. So it is coming. So just put the trash button here. And one more thing, if you want to design anything, then you can make it. I'm not designing here, I'm just telling how you can use or how we can delete the item. I'm just implementing the code, but you can design your gallery, and so that it will look attractive also. So just select this button and just remove the select parent. I have already noted the code. You can see here this first code. I will just copy and I will just paste here. So you can see I use the remove function here, and I provided this call event registration is my collection name and comma and then this item. That means now save and publish the app, and once you'll preview the item, if you want to delete any particular item, suppose I will remove this bugle boy, and just click on it and it will be deleted from the gallery and as well as from the collection. The second example, I will tell you how we can delete a particular record like laptop from the power-ups data table control. So for that, what I will do, so as I have created a collection in the onStart property, again I will run onStart, then the data will be back. Okay, so specific record, right? So here I will just unvisible this gallery gallery control, and I will add a data table control for it. Yes, so for this example I have taken one SharePoint list. Let me tell you, so this is my SharePoint list issue tracker, and it has a title column, and that I have just renamed it to issues, and another one is product name, that you can see a single line of text control. So you can see single line of text data type. So now, so I have created the power-ups collection using that SharePoint list, and I have written the code onStart property only. You can see, I will show you. If you will go below, see this one, clear collect, call issues. I have created, I have just given one name for the collection, and this is my issue tracker. This is my SharePoint list. So I have created, and here come back to this one. So my my collection name is call issues. So you can see it is added. To display the field, go to the edit field section, click on this edit field, and you can choose whatever you want. Is I will choose only the title. So let me write title, and another one I will choose product name. So this one, just click on add, and it will add in the Power Ups data table control. Now if you want to design the data table control, you can design it as per your choice. Now I will suppose I want to delete any particular record like laptop or mobile. Then for that I will take one button control outside of the data table control. So here I have taken one button control. I just rename it remove, and so here reflected like this. Now I will use the remove if function. So you can see here, this is the code I have copied, and in the buttons on select property I will write this code remove if, then provide the collection name and provide the column name, and as well as you need to specify the value that you want to delete from the product name column. So as I want to delete the laptop records, all the laptop records that contains in the data table. So now what you will do, just go to preview, and you can see 1, 2, 3, there are 3 laptop records. Once you click on it, all the laptop records will be deleted from the data table, and if you check the collection as well, there also it will be deleted from the collection. If you will go to here as I shown you, and if you will check this view table, you can see all the laptop records will be deleted from here. Only these are the mobile and Outlook records. Now again just click me run on start property so that all the data will retrieve from the collection. So in the third example, like I told you, how we can remove all the records from a gallery control. So for that I will just hide this one invisible, and then as well as the this one button control, and I will insert one vertical control, you can see here, and I will just add this collection, and I will just change the layout. And now I will suppose I want delete all the records from here. So for that I will add one button control. So here I can rename this button control name is like remove all records, and then what I will do, I for to remove all these records, now we can use the clear function. Power Ups clear function is there. I have already described everything the clear function in my previous video. You can go and check out that. So for that, go to the on select properties, this button control, and then you can write the code is clear. Then just you need to provide the collection name. So here my collection name is call event registration. So I provided call event registration. That's it. So once you will preview this, and you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 records are there. Once you click on this, it will remove all the records from the gallery and as well as the collection. So the fourth one, let me show you the fourth example. Now how we can remove the selected item from the using the drop down control and as well as the list box control. So for that, you can go to the screen one, let me hide again, and this one hide again. Now I will take a drop down control. So let me search drop down here, and then I will take again a button control, button. So button, you can rename it remove, and here I will use the SharePoint list, the same SharePoint list you can see. I will use it, and this as I told you, I've created the collection. So here you can see the on start property, I have created a collection using this issue tracker SharePoint list, and my collection name is here call issues. So I want like item property will be my call issues, that is my collection name, and here you can see the value you need to change here to display all the product name. So just expand it, and wherever the product name, just choose it. It will come all the product names over in the over the drop down control. Now how you can remove a specific item using the drop down control. So go to the on select property of the button control, and again I will write a code, this one. So here we will use the remove if function. That means I want a particular record. Whenever the user will select a particular item from the gallery control, that particular item will be deleted. That is a particular criteria of this. So I used the remove if function, then I mentioned the call issues, then I provided the column name. This is my DRP product name, is my drop down control name, and then selected dot product name. DRP product name is my previous drop down control that I have shown you here. Now my drop down control name is drop down 1, so I need to change that drop down 1. You need to provide your drop down control name, else it will not work. So drop down 1, you can see here. So now what I will do, just go to preview, and whenever I will click on this mobile a specific item and click on this, then the particular mobile field will be deleted. Suppose there are 3 laptops. If I want to remove laptop value, so I will select it, and once I will click on this remove, it will be deleted from the drop down control. So in this way we can remove the power ups collection item using a drop down control. Next I will tell you how we can remove the power ups collection item using a list box control. So again, just let me run on start, so that it will retrieve all the data from the collection. And just go to here again, select insert a list box control. You can see list box control. You can see here, as I told you, in this case, in the drop down case, we can only select one item at a time. But suppose there are various of data, and user wants to delete multiple records at a time. So in that case we can use a list box control, or else you can use the combo box control. So here I have used a list box control, and I will provide my collection name, call issues, and here in the value field I need to change it to product name. You can see here, so that it will retrieve all the record. Now if you want to remove multiple record from the list box, then you just add a button here, click on this button, and then once you will click on this button, you need to write a code in the on select property. So the code I will copy from here. In this case also I will use the remove if function, but the code is little bit different in this list box control. So we need to provide the remove if function, then we need to specify the collection name, and we need to provide the column name in, and you need to provide the list box control name. Here I will provide the list box name, that is list box 1. You can see here list box 1. Just a second, list box. So you need to provide the list box 1 selected item dot the column name. You need to specify the column name at the close. And once you will preview this, you can, if you want to select multiple item like mobile, laptop, and then once you will click on this button, then it will remove automatically, or it will remove like whatever user will select multiple items, it will remove from this list box as well as from the collection. So these are the 5 different ways to delete a records, or delete a particular record or records from the collection. So I have written all the full article over here. You can visit this spguides.com, and I will put this link in the description box below. So if you really like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you and have a nice day.